Hi, I'm Carolina Lavarria, real estate agent at Daniel Champion Properties. Welcome to your new home, here at Zona Romantica. I'm excited to showcase this unique one-bedroom, one-bathroom apartment for those seeking both style and comfort. This apartment features a stunning industrial design, combining modern aesthetics with warmth. As you step inside, you will immediately notice the spacious layout that makes the home feel both open and inviting. One of the standout features of this apartment is the ample storage space. With multiple closets throughout, you will have no trouble keeping everything organized and tidy. But that's not all. Step outside to your own private pool. This apartment is located in a low-density condo with only 5 units, providing a serene and exclusive living experience. If you're looking for a unique, spacious, and stylish place to call home, this one-bedroom apartment is a must-see. Contact me today at carolina@danielchampion.com to schedule your showing.